My name is Henry and this video is brought to you by Ironedge. Today, we're gonna be making some protein pudding. I'm gonna have you doing is you're gonna add your 6 ounces of milk first, almond milk. That way everything's not sticky. And I got here my Believe isolate unflavored. We're just gonna add 1 scoop. Looks about right. There. And then next to it is the Believe protein flavor, vanilla ice cream. We're just gonna add 1 scoop of that. Right there. Over here, we got 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. We're gonna add it right there, just like that. What's that? Give me 1 minute here. Just, we got 1 tablespoon of chai seeds. So we're just gonna add that in there. And what we're gonna do now is cover it up. That way you're not spilling. Oh, cover it the right way. This way you're not spilling. Make sure it's tight. Look at that. See, it doesn't fall. We're gonna hold it for like 30 seconds. That way it's nice and mixed up. That's not enough. We got just to make sure you get everything in there. Yeah, that looks about right. Oh, that smells good. That's got some good pudding. We're just gonna add it there. Next, we're gonna top it off with 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. Just add a little. Just add the whole thing in there. You can never have too much chocolate chips. And there we go.